Hey, what's up guys? 2017 4Runner. I'm doing the engine air filter and the cabin filter, and I'll show you the wiper sizes and the oil filter. So when you got your hood up, you want to come pop these clips off. There's one right here and there's one down here. You just put your finger on it, pull it backwards. There's 4 total. There's 2 on the back as well. So there's this guy right here, and then the one that's a little far back is this guy here, but it's not too hard at all. Once you get these off, we're going to lift this air box up. Now there's like a little slot over here, and so when you lift this up, all you want to do is just kind of push it back a tad bit and then go up, and then it should come up enough to where you could snake this air filter out just like that. Be careful with this boot, because over time these get super brittle and break easy, so just don't go crazy, you know, rage slamming it or nothing. This is my old filter. This is a Toyota filter. Here's the part number. That's an actual Toyota filter if you want to get that. I'm going to be using a MicroGuard today. I'll put links in the description to Amazon for an air filter. It probably won't be MicroGuard because I don't think they carry it on Amazon, but it'll be a different filter. Just as good. These are good filters. So we'll get that in. That's how it's supposed to look when it goes in. You just kind of push it in, and then this, you just push it back down into place, and then you should be able to push these clips back on pretty easy. It shouldn't be too hard. If they're like being real hard to push back up, then something's not lined up right. So just make sure that the box is, you know, flushed where it needs to be, and that's it. That's how you do your air filter. And this is for the 4.0 engine. All right, now the cabin filter, you just want to come over here and open your glove box, get anything out that's in it. There's this little cover door that needs to come off. There's these 2 tabs right here. You just push on these tabs, and then once you get that off, this is your cabin filter access door. Just go ahead and there's 2 little fin clips on the sides. Just push those down and pull this access door backwards. Shouldn't be too hard. All right, now notice on the filter it's pointing up with an arrow. Let's go and pull this out. This is a Toyota cabin filter. They say up on them with an arrow up. If your new one says that, then just put it in the same direction. Here's my Toyota cabin filter. That's the part number right there. Also links in the description for a cabin filter. Notice it says up. So when you put this in, make sure the arrow points up and then it says up. The only time you would do it different is if it had the word airflow on it and it said down with the arrow down, then you'd put the arrow down. Put this back on, it just clips back into place. Just gently push it right into place. And then this goes on. Just put these 3 little tabs on the bottom first, and then we'll push this into place like that. That'll just clip in, and that's it. That's how you do your cabin filter. Now close this. Everything should be fine. Alright guys, so your wipers, here are your sizes. I'll put links to Amazon in the description. And then this has a rear wiper blade as well. I have a video on how to change it. Links as well. Here's your oil filter. Everything will be linked below. And then your oil is 0W20. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.